My name's Bill Bloomfield. I'm the Operations Director at IPFL. In one form or another since 1969. It was a family firm set up by my dad, and we later became a limited company in 1985. The parts that we offer are very bespoke. We haven't got our own product. Everything we make is to a customer specification. It varies tremendously. Lots of different industries, from motorsport, medical, security, defence. The parts in particular are all plastic bespoke parts, whether they're CNC machined, 3D printed or fabricated. I did a bit of market research before buying the Kimla router. I knew that I wanted something that was going to be fast, accurate and give a good surface finish. I also was very particular in wanting wireless probing on the machine so that we can get our heights right, we can do surface mapping. There wasn't many machines out there in the marketplace that would fit all of those criteria, and the Kimla came with the added benefits of having the linear drive, so we have nice smooth motion, which really gave us a much better finish than we was achieving on our other CNC routers. There's certain products that we make where there's hand finishing that has to be done that takes several minutes on a part, whereas parts that come off the Kimla, it's just a quick wipe over and they're done. The Kimla CNC router is used for a wide variety of components. We are primarily machining the likes of Corian, acrylic, polycarbonate, but any engineering materials as well. Working with the materials that we do, there's a wide variation in thickness tolerance, and very often customers are defining depths from the top down of the material rather than from the bottom up. So to achieve that, we use the wireless probe to do a surface map of the material, and then the Kimla is programmed to then cut down from that new datum that's created. Key benefits of the Kimla are the surface finish, the ease of use, the very fact that we've got the wireless probing on there gives us far more accurate parts than we could achieve on other equipment that hasn't got it. Previously, for our CNC processes, we had a large 3 metre by 2 metre router, which was really bigger than we needed. It didn't have the linear drives. It was a helical rack and pinion. It didn't give the same sort of surface finish that we can achieve on the Kimla. It didn't have the sort of accuracy that we can achieve on the Kimla. And it didn't have the surface mapping facility with the wireless probe. Our offline programming is done using EdgeCam, although we do some of our programming directly on the Kimla control as well. The operators have actually picked up working with the Kimla very well indeed. Working with Daltons Wadkin has actually been quite a pleasure. I've found everyone to be very professional and helpful right from before we purchased the kit until after we've received it, the installation, the training and ongoing support.